Making money online is a broad and varied field. The methods you choose should align with your skills, interests, and resources. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to some of the most common methods. 1. Freelancing app. Identify your skills: writing, designing, programming, marketing, etc. B. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Guru. C. Create a compelling profile. Showcase past work, credentials, and skills. D. Start by bidding on small projects to build a reputation. E. Always meet deadlines and strive for positive reviews. 2. Blogging. Choose a niche topic you're passionate about. Buy a domain name and set up hosting, Bluehost, HostGator, etc. Install a content management system. WordPress is popular. Produce high-quality, consistent content. Drive traffic using SEO, social media, and networking. Monetize via affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. 3. Affiliate marketing. Choose a niche in relevant products, services. Sign up for affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale. Promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Earn commissions for every sale made through your link. 4. Online courses and ebooks. Identify a topic you're knowledgeable in. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad to create and host your content. Promote your courses, ebooks through your network, blog, or social media. Collect passive income as users purchase and access your content. 5. Drop shipping. Research profitable niches and products. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Collaborate with suppliers who will handle inventory and shipping. Promote your store and products through ads and organic traffic. Make sales without dealing with stock or shipping. Your supplier handles it. 6. Online tutoring. Identify subjects you're skilled in. Join platforms like VIPKid, CheckTutors, or Tutor.com. Offer your expertise to students worldwide. 7. Stock trading and cryptocurrency. Research the basics of the stock market or cryptocurrency. Invest real money once you're confident, and always stay updated with market news. 8. YouTube channel. Choose a niche topic you're passionate about. Create and upload high-quality videos consistently. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or merchandise.